literally, like, the minute I try to do my intro, like, this thing comes up. Oh, hey guys. Welcome to my new Roblox video. Today I'm playing Natural Disaster Survival. Yeah, I haven't played this in a while. I'm terrible at this game. Like, there used to be like this one, there was a copy of it, and you got free balloons. It was so cool. Like, I bet you have to stay away from the tall structures or else yeah. Oh my gosh. I think something's coming. What's coming? Could it be a blizzard? I hear like some sort of like wind. I don't know, I'm scared. Tornado. Shoot. I'm terrible at surviving tornadoes. Oh no, it's coming! I have nowhere to go. I'm gonna be swept off the face of the earth. I wish there was some sort of thing where you could run as fast as you can. I'm scared. This is so scary. It's coming right at me! Oh my gosh. I think it follows wherever I go. How many people are here? Like, there's so many people, and it's only going after me. Color hard. Yeah, definitely shouldn't be over here, but this bald woman I better stay with. I'm just gonna... get away, get away! It's coming right at me. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna die. Like, this is frightening. This girl wasted her Robux and didn't even, like, put hair on. It's kind of cool. It's coming at me. Get away, get away. Oh my god, it's... Why? I needed like a second and I would have survived, but I fell off the face of the earth. Literally. I mean, that's just... I'm not even on the top 10 board because I never played this before, like, on my, like, it's just a new account, but I don't have to tell you the same thing every time, cause yeah. But, what should I do now? I think there's a storm coming. Either way, I think I should go upstairs. Then if I jump out a window, I'm probably gonna die. Sandstorm. You have to dodge flying objects, which is I have to get out of here. What's their diagnosis right now? Dodge flying objects. Is that all? Have to get out of there. Or should I get in? Oh, snap. This is not working. I'm going to be a flying object. I'm almost dead. Let's look at my health bar. I mean, I'm almost dead. And nothing hit me. Help. Help, help, help. God, help me. I gotta get in the chimney. Oh, I'm scared. No. I'm thinking this is the safest place right now. My health is going up. It's scary. Ooh, my chat is purple. My favorite color. Oh no! No, 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 no. I'm gonna die. Yeah, this is the end. This is the end. The whole house got destroyed. Well, except for that part that's still standing. Yay! Why am I lying on the ground? Yeah, I got a badge. I usually see anyone I see out this side, I just like push them off. Bye bye. Ah! It's hilarious. I have no clue what to do, but I usually go inside that tiny house there. Whatever it is, tiny hut. Uh-oh. I think it's a blizzard coming. I should get inside. Oh, God. What is that? This keyboard is Help. Oh no, I'm hearing Ooof. Where's my hair gone? Oh, help. I'm like half face cam right now. I'm bald. Tornadoes don't cause baldness. Well, this one did, but I can't believe, like, my health didn't go down. I mean, my health was always like this. How did he survive it? I mean, look, he lost half his leg. Oh, help. God, help me. Help! Help! Oh, phew, it went away that way. Oh, no, 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 no. No! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Help. Help. I'm dead. No. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh, I'm safe. Well, I think I'm probably really safe out here. Just gotta stay at the edge. The very edge where nobody ever goes because it's not safe. Why do I keep moving? I have to go in like this. Hello. Baldi's Basics. Maybe I'm on that top 10 board. Maybe. I don't know. There's lots of people here. Wait, I can't scroll down, can I? No, I don't want to see my notifications. There's not many people here anymore, so yeah. Am I in the top 10 board? Oh, I'm at the bottom! Yay, I'm on the top 10! Yeah! I never seen this place before, but still, like, who cares? I still have, like, no health. I'm gonna just reset and, yeah. Oh my goodness, it's a blizzard. All I'm gonna see is white for miles, so yeah. I'm just gonna stay inside where it's safe. Wish I could go down there. I love these swirly stairs. They look so mysterious. Well, obviously I'm not gonna be on the top 10 board if anyone survives this thing. There is no warmth. I mean, really, unless there's a massive big jug of hot cocoa, that would be good. This is the weather machine powered up to increase the numbers on multi-disaster. No, I don't want to. Phew, it's gone. Is there any girls here? Nah. Just a bunch of little weak boys, but I just decided to spectate. I love this guy's love. Why I love bacon here. I think it's so cool. I think it's adorable. I'm in the rocket. Wow, I don't really care. You can't move in the rocket. I'm just gonna farty. Just a bunch of weak boys who wouldn't survive a minute out there without me. Oh my god. Is my device crashing? I'm scared of this. Like, this is scary. Can't even see. Wait, they're always over there, so I'm gonna have a look. I'm a spectator, yeah, with my cute backpack. Oh, 2 people just survived this. Oh god. They're goners. There's lots of... Oh my god, I lived! I'm not gonna friend a soul. Only cause, like, yeah. I don't want anyone to be my friend. Not because I don't like people, it's just that I don't want anyone to feel left out. If, like, I have 200 friends and then, like, there's lots of people who don't.